Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple contacts at once on your iPhone. Now, whether you wanted to delete out every single contact on your iPhone, or you just wanted to delete out 20 in a bulk delete, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, on your iPhone, you can access your contacts either by tapping on the Phone app and then tapping on Contacts at the bottom center. Or another option that you have instead of that is to take your finger and swipe down and then type in Contacts and open up the Contacts app. It works the exact same whether you're in the Phone app or the Contacts app. Now, the traditional way to delete a contact is to tap on the contact, tap on Edit at the top right, scroll to the bottom, tap on Delete Contact and Delete Contact. However, if you have a bunch of contacts and you want to delete all of them, this is really time consuming. There's a trick to be able to select all of your contacts and delete them at once. To be able to do that, we need to use two fingers. So you can see if I use two fingers and I tap and start swiping down, it will start to select those contacts. Again, I'm going to show you, let's just go in and back. If you tap and swipe down, it starts to select those. Now, there are some tricks to be able to unselect or select other ones. For instance, if I use one finger then and swipe down, I can use two fingers again, starting here, and select these. If I accidentally chose a contact that I don't want to delete, I can use my two fingers to again swipe over them to unselect them. And if you just wanted to select one contact, you do need to tap and drag down and then drag back up to be able to select it. If you just tap with two fingers, it will unfortunately just open up that one contact. So now we've gotten to a point where we've selected all of the contacts that we wanted to delete. Of course, you can just take your fingers and drag them down to the bottom to select all of them. When you're ready to delete them, on one of the contacts that is highlighted in gray, you're going to take one finger and you're going to press and hold. You can see it merges all of those together, 6 contacts, and you can see at the bottom, delete 6 contacts. Just tap on that button and it will automatically delete out all of those contacts from your iCloud, from your Gmail, no matter where those contacts are sourced from. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.